Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn some unique Hatke function which is REPT function, which basically repeats anything that you put in. So let's say for example uh, I want to repeat star multiple times. So instead of pressing shift and 8 and typing star multiple times, here comes the repeat function. So equal to REPT, then the text will be, I will put star here, then again colon, again quotation, comma, number of times. Let's say I want to repeat it 5 times, so I type 5 bracket close. So as you can see, star has been repeated 5 times, then 8 times. So this is some unique and very unique function, very less known. Now I will show you how you can make it more funny. Okay, let's say uh, you are rating something on the scale of 8, and you want to create some visuals around it, right? Some funny visuals which will engage viewers or users of the Excel tab. So let's say you are rating it, you are giving ratings to someone. Okay, so let's say A, B, C, D, these are the sales folks, let's say sales reps, and these are their ratings. So let's say 5, 7, 8, 10. Now I know that they can see it as good or bad, but how we can make it more engaging? So I will show you. Let's say 10 is your base 10 is your maximum scale, and you want to put some emojis here. So first thing is we will need characters within some characters so that we can put emojis. So the shortcut to that is you will press Windows button and the dot button. So Windows dot. So this will open up uh, this option of emojis. Now let's say you want the smiling face, so you will choose this first emoji, smiling face. I click somewhere else. Now I again repeat the same process, Windows and dot, and I, let's say, scroll down and I want a sad face. So here is the sad face emoji. Enter. Now make sure that wherever emojis are pasted, the format is COGUI emoji. So I take my cursor here, and in the format I make it this. So as you can see, happy and sad faces appearing. Similarly, I have to, so now I will show you the formula. So the formula will be, so the concept is that more the happy faces, better the rating, and more the sad faces, lower the rating. So equal to REPT, uh, text will be this emoji, copy, equal to REPT, text will be this emoji, then close parenthesis, comma, number of times will be 10 minus this cell where the rating is given. Bracket complete. I will put one more bracket here because we are separating the two formulas. And I will put a blank character right now. I will again say REPT, repeat. The text, instead of emoji, I am keeping it blank for now, comma, this thing, bracket close. So now I copy and paste this happy face here and change the format to COGUI emoji. Enter. So as you can see, because the sales rep has got 5 ratings, you can see 5 happy faces and 5 sad faces, because 10 is the scale. And I repeat this process. So you can see 7 happy faces, 8 happy faces, and all the, and let's say all happy faces, like this. So this was some fun basically, but the point is to show you how versatile the Excel could be, right from number crunching till creating some engaging visuals. So if you have find this video little useful, and if you feel that this video has really added some value, please hit the like button, share this video more and more, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.